Namaste everyone. If you have upper back pain, neck pain, or shoulders are hurting, this video is for you. So stay tuned till the end. We will get fit at home. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover from neck and shoulder pain, stiff upper back, pinched nerve or tendon. You might even breathe shallower. So let's get started. So first thing first, have you ever noticed yourself in the mirror, your hands facing back? You're doing the shoulder internal rotation. It pulls everything forward. Your chest gets tight, your back muscles shut off, and over time you start to slump. The good posture is shoulder back, neutral arms, and smiling face. Fist facing backward means the humerus upper arm bone is internally rotated in the shoulder socket. This is common in modern posture due to desk work or prolonged sitting. Weak or inactive external rotator or upper back muscles. But you need to be consciously aware of this posture. Try to take your shoulder back, open your chest, and keep your arms neutral. And see the difference. But I will show you some yoga posture which will help you a lot. Number 1. Lie down on the mat and make a fist. Keep your arms up to 90 degrees and start lifting up and drop down. You can repeat this with me. Number 2 is shoulder press. So extend your arms over to your head and hold up to 90 degrees. Making sure our back is completely relaxed on the mat. Now sit with your legs crossed, or you can sit on the block. Extend your both arms, make fist. And now do internal and external rotation with your left and right arm. Now extend your right arm up, bend your elbow with your left hand. Try to pull your elbow towards your left side. Being aware of our posture, making sure our spine is erect, we are not rounding our upper back. Now repeat on other arm. Start breathing in and out. We are not holding our breaths during the practice. Now take your arms back. Keep your hands on your lower back and try to hold your opposite arms. Now rotate your shoulders back and bring them forward. Keep doing this for few repetitions. Now extend your arms again. Take your arms back, interlock your fingers, roll your shoulders back. And now look up and breathe in and out. So looking up, inhaling, dropping a chin to the chest, exhaling. Now extend your arms forward, make fist, and turn your shoulders inward and outward. Now extend your arms over to your head, bring it down up to 90 degrees, flip your palms down, drop your hands down. Up, flip your arms, hands up. Keep going for few repetitions. Your posture speaks louder than you think. So stand tall, open up, and stop letting your shoulder boss you around. Always remember to roll your shoulders back and keep your hands into neutral position. You will see the massive difference. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share, and hit the subscribe button and share with your friends. Thank you very much.